Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to get Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for your OnePlus 10T 5G. So we'll need to start with opening the Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Call of Duty, but as you can see there's no game. So now go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, reveal family, parental controls. Now either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards. And now if we go back and look for the game again, it should be on the top right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.